Welcome to this Sarah Scoop product review. Make sure to subscribe to Sarah Scoop and leave a comment about what you would like to see reviewed next. The product I'm reviewing today is the SYOSIN bike phone mount. I purchased it on Amazon for $17.99. Recently, I've really gotten into biking, and these past 2 months I've been going on 30 to 40 mile bike rides once a week. So I wanted to purchase something where I could easily access my phone while biking and play music as well. This phone mount is super flexible and fits many different phone sizes, including Samsung phones and iPhones. In the product description, it states that the phone mount can absorb a lot of different vibrations and shocks and won't damage your phone at all. I can definitely confirm this is true, as I went biking this past weekend and used this product and it worked perfectly and didn't damage my phone at all. So as you can see, this is what it looks like on my bike. And I'm pulling the sides. That's where the corners of your phone will go. As you can see, it's super stretchy, and that's how it fits different sizes of phones. So yeah, this is what it looks like on the bike, and I can just demonstrate also how you can turn it to your liking. So you can turn it left and right, and you can also maneuver it kind of more to the front or more to the bottom, just to fit your comfortability with using your phone while biking. So this is how you put it together. You're going to twist it to the side and slide it into that compartment there, and then twist it so it's all going the same direction. You're then going to place it on your bike and pull the belt around with the holes and tighten it as much as you want to then fit it around your bike handle. And then that's what it looks like on again. And then I think we're ready to try it out in some biking demonstrations. First, we're going to put the phone in before the biking demonstrations. So that's how you put it in. You pull the rubber band type things around the corner of your phone and make sure they're as far up as possible, just to secure your phone, make sure it's not falling out. So again, this is what it looks like with the phone in the mount now. Again, I'm demonstrating how you can turn it and maneuver it to, again, your comfortability while biking. So this is me biking, and again, you can see that it is not moving at all. It's staying sturdy, and the mount is securing your phone while biking. Again, this is me biking, a different view, closer up, and you can see how sturdy the phone really is. Another view from the front. The phone is still very sturdy while biking. And then I hit a little bump just so you can see that it can take the vibrations it said in the description. So to take it out, you're just going to remove the rubber band type things off of your corners. Going to unhook the belt and remove it from your bike handle, and then twist it off if I can get it. There we go. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you like this product review, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and again, comment what other products you'd like us to review. Don't forget also to visit sarahscoop.com for the scoop on all your favorite things.